Well, you won't tell me your side of the story.
Well, I don't have one. There's no side.
Okay.
I absolutely defended what I had to do. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I never even heard him. He did this last month, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter anymore.
Well,
fighting is fighting. It's none of your business.
Well, right now you're under arrest for domestic violence.
For what?
This Quincy police arrest from July 28th, 2024, presents a textbook study in Illinois domestic violence response.
No! Ah, get off me! I peed my pants. Wait!
What?
Oh, wait! I peed my pants.
Hi.
Hi.
Officer Navarro.
Hi.
Where is your other partner?
I don't know. I don't care. I don't know. Maybe find him at this address if it exists.
So who called?
I'm not sure. Here, find him at that
What's
address.
your name?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
No. This is my address. My address should be on my name. You came to it.
Can you talk to the guy on that side?
You guys don't need to be all like, you guys can't handle your own? This is disgusting. You guys need to do just something else. You know, it's only one person, you know, like one person only. You guys don't need to be a bunch of fucking idiots and just do this. It embarrasses people. Here, go find him at that address. He has a receipt at Home Depot.
Just calm down.
No, you calm down and go somewhere else. Here, I took that medicine too. And see why his name doesn't even show up like that. I don't know. I'm so confused. Try that. Get out of here.
Nothing good. She's not making any sense in handing me Home Depot stuff, and this guy didn't even talk to me when I pulled up.
You're the cutest stinking kid.
Oh, I know who this is.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna be.
Leslie, she's a handful. I think she has severe postpartum. It's unchecked.
We responded to the hotel because of her. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
The other day I drove by and she was just staring at me through the window too. She's off.
It's like chill little boy. He's got like a little picture perfect face. Hey Bethany, can you come talk to us?
Can you come to the door? I need to talk to you. I can't hear you. Open the door.
Come explain this to me, because I don't understand.
Okay, so she asked me what my address was, right?
Who's
She
she?
not asked me, or she asked me where Mario was. He has two different addresses right there. Go find him. That's what you asked.
Well, he's
So
here.
I answered back and I gave it to him. That's what I can give you for information.
So what's your side of what happened with Mario?
I don't know. He's a little bitch and he called the cops because he needs protection, obviously. What are you doing here with 3 people?
Why does he need protection from you?
Well, obviously because I had money and it was gone, but you know what? I found it, so it doesn't matter, and I'm hungry and I need to go.
Well, it says declined, so there's no money.
It doesn't say declined.
It says declined right there.
No, it does not.
It says right there.
It just says
Damage
amount
protection
paid.
declined.
Amount paid. It says 94. It doesn't matter. It's the fucking reason that you fucking asked me for an address, so I gave it to you.
I didn't ask you.
I didn't ask you to read it. I said there's his address.
Well, I'm going to read it because you gave it to me.
Okay, but I only asked you to read his address. She asked me for an address. That's what I gave you. Does it exist? No.
Why are you yelling at me?
Well, because she asked me for a goddamn address.
Did I?
Well, why'd you guys come here? Do you know now who lives here when you come?
Well, you've moved a few times.
Well, right. That's why I'm so confused. Lost addresses.
Why are you yelling?
Because I need to eat.
Is
So
that
can
what-
you leave?
Is this you hangry?
Yes, I need to go eat.
There's no food in the house?
No, I need to go get milk. Go.
I don't understand.
Okay, I don't understand. Ask Dr. Manabar. I don't know.
Who's Dr.
Or
Matavar?
Lindsay or somebody else. All them. I don't
Who's
know.
Lindsay?
I'm the one that put it on my face, or did you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Or did you? You're the one that sold my mom's house, so let's talk about that.
Actually, she bought my house.
Well, that's your problem. Well, you guys had something going on, obviously. So, who
I'm
knows?
confused. Something about what going on?
I don't know. I don't care. I don't know.
It was posted legally, and she bought it legally.
That's fine. That's fine. So
Okay.
maybe you can explain that. You talk to her more than I do.
Actually, I haven't talked to her more
Well,
than
I
years.
took that prescription, put it on my face, so I don't know why Mario has a middle initial, and I don't know why that prescription's in his name. So if you have any questions or answers, go over there and speak to him, and leave me alone.
But I'm trying to speak to you.
What if he gives us access just to come in?
If she assaults him, then that would be even more.
I did what?
Huh?
What did I do? What did I do? You guys were there? You guys saw that?
So what?
What you just said?
I said if you assault him, that would be even more.
Oh, but what if he assaulted me by,
Well, you won't tell me your side of the story.
well, I
so
don't have
know.
one. There's no side.
Okay.
I absolutely defended what I had to do.
Well, what happened? It caused you to
Well,
defend
I don't give a
yourself.
shit. I don't give a shit. I never even hurt him. He did this last month, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter anymore.
Well,
Fighting is
two
fighting.
options.
It's none of your
We
business.
can just
Just
tell
go.
him flat out now, or just get a search warrant.
For what? What do you want a search warrant for?
Why don't you just come out?
Because I'm not going to come out. I don't have to. I'm talking to you right now, and what the fuck is the problem?
So basically, we could tell her right now, and then.
Okay,
we
tell
can
me,
further
what?
maybe more crimes, more charges.
What?
Yeah, let's just do it.
Huh?
Let's just tell her.
Okay. Well, right now you're under arrest for domestic violence.
For what?
For
He
assaulting
absolutely
Laura.
came up to me and threatened me. I'm going to do what I'm going to do, and I never heard
How
him.
do you threaten you?
He absolutely told me he was going to beat my ass right now.
He did?
Absolutely. He came up to me in the living room while my child was in the same room.
Okay.
Okay, I've been beaten
Well-
before? Absolutely.
Okay. Well,
I don't care.
As-
Absolutely.
as
That's the
of now-
point. You don't ever,
as
ever,
of now,
ever, ever
you're the
show
primary-
violence in front of somebody and absolutely go up to
As
somebody.
of
You know
now,
what? A
you
person
are
that's
the
been beaten,
primary
a
aggressor.
person that has been beaten is going to protect herself in no matter what. If I'm going to come up to you and act like I'm going to force a force of
all right,
aggression,
just go
yes.
start typing the search warrant.
No, I'm not going to do that.
The central legal framework comes from 725 ILCS 5, section 112A-30. Under this statute, when officers have probable cause to believe abuse occurred between household members, arrest is the preferred response, regardless of victim cooperation. The Illinois legislature adopted this framework precisely because complainants in domestic situations frequently recant under pressure, fear, or financial dependence. The substantive offense charged falls under 720 ILCS 5 Section 12-3.2 Illinois domestic battery. The statute requires only that the accused knowingly and without legal justification cause bodily harm or make physical contact of an insulting or provoking nature. The threshold is deliberately low. Even a push, a slap, or a poke satisfies the contact element. The subject's own recorded admissions, quote, "I absolutely defended what I had to do," and quote, "Fighting is fighting," function as party admissions. Under Illinois Rule of Evidence 801, these statements are admissible at trial against her. The use of force during arrest is governed by Graham v. Connor, the 1989 Supreme Court decision establishing the objective reasonableness standard. Force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, considering the severity of the offense, the threat posed, and active resistance. Here, force was limited to soft, empty hand control, a takedown, ground stabilization, and handcuffing. No weapons, no strikes, no impact tools. The subject's repeated allegations of throat pressure raise serious questions, but the Bodycam angle does not conclusively establish neck contact. Under modern Illinois policy following the 2021 SAFE-T Act, neck restraints are restricted to deadly force scenarios only. The Miranda warning was administered correctly under Miranda v. Arizona, the 1966 landmark decision. However, under Bergwis v. Tompkins, 2010, invocation of Miranda rights must be unambiguous. Profanity is not invocation. The subject never clearly invoked silence or counsel, leaving every spoken admission available to prosecutors. The resisting charge under 720 ILCS 5, Section 31-1, is independently supported. Critically, Illinois law forbids resistance even to an unlawful arrest. The remedy is the courthouse, never the doorway. Officer Navarro earns a B for patience, proper same-gender search, and complete Miranda recitation. Points lost for argumentative exchanges that eroded command presence.
We got one fighting.
No!
Ah, get off me!
Roll over.
Get off me! Ow! Get off me! Ow! We got one fighting.
Ow! I'm peeing my pants!
Put your hand behind your back right now.
I'm peeing my pants! Oh my God, I'm peeing! I'm peeing! I'm peeing my
Stop moving.
Oh my God!
You can breathe.
Oh my God, I can't breathe!
All right, we're gonna sit you up.
I peed my pants. Wait!
What?
Oh wait, I peed my pants. Wait.
All right, well, you're stuck in what you're wearing.
No.
Sit up.
Put your feet up.
No. No! No! Wait! Let me at least change my underwear, please!
No, we're past
Yes!
that.
No! I just need my pants! No! Quit!
Can you update him?
Ah,
Stop.
my fucking lungs.
What?
Shoes, you said?
Yeah, ask her for
They're in my. Ow!
fingers.
You're hurting me!
Do not grab my
Ow! 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 Ow!
Where's your shoes?
You're hurting me!
fingers. Where are your shoes?
Where? They're in the house!
Where
You're
is your
hurting
chicken
me!
dinner?
You are hurting me!
I'm not hurting you.
Yes, you are! How can I even grab you?
Stop yelling.
I don't give a f***. I just pissed my pants!
I don't care. Where's your
I don't
shoes?
care either! Then shut up!
All right, never mind.
Ow! Ow!
Probably need surgery first.
Yeah.
Go ahead, step up.
I don't have anything on me!
We tried, but you wouldn't comply.
Whatever, bitch! F***ing faggot.
You want to turn her around, or how do you want to do it?
What? I don't have anything on me!
All right, step out.
No! You
Step
just
out.
put me in the car!
Step out or I'll bring you.
You just put me in the car!
All right.
Well, do your work first! You don't have to be so rough!
I'm not rough.
Yes, you are, you f***ing fat cow! Absolutely, you don't have to be so f***ing rough! Make sure I don't have a phone this time, huh? So you guys can't keep it like last time? How many days you gave me a phone? 3 days? I don't have anything! I'm telling you the truth! I don't have any meth and I don't have anything!
I gotta check.
I'm fucking silver as fuck! My pants are pissed from this fat f*** on me! Couldn't even fucking breathe!
Stand straight. I need to check your breast area.
In the street?
Don't. All right, enough. Go ahead and check where you need
You
it.
motherfucker, you better get your hands off me right now.
Stop.
You don't need to do so. You don't need to be so
Yes,
forceful.
I do.
No, you don't. I'm not even showing force.
All right.
All right.
Get off my fucking throat.
You moved
Get off
sounds
my
on.
fucking throat.
I'm not on your throat.
Get off my throat. Get off my throat.
I'm not on
Get off my throat. There's other ways to fucking touch.
No, there's not.
Yes, there is. You don't have to be on my
21,
throat.
You're gonna bite me.
22.
Why would I fucking bite you,
Because
bitch?
They
you
take
look
the
like
money,
something
right?
out of the ring.
Jail?
Well, yeah, because you put it on my face.
Get back!
No.
There you go.
F*** off.
Never.
F*** off.
All right, Bethany, I'm going to read you Miranda.
No.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning. If you wish, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I've explained them to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
The male officer earns a B-. Force was legally proportionate, but the absence of verbal narration during contact created avoidable evidentiary ambiguity. The subject earns a D. She possessed every constitutional protection available and surrendered each one through admissions, non-compliance, and physical resistance. The Quincy Police Department earns a B for visible policy compliance, bodycam activation, dual officer response, and same-gender search.
And why does it have a middle initial on it? And why does it have a fucking address? No, it doesn't even exist. Why? Why? You fucking bitch! Do you not understand me? I'm allergic to metal. God damn it! Look at my face. You guys are so mean. Can you unloosen them, please? They're burning my fingers. Please, I'm asking you nicely. Can you even talk back? After I called 911 and put the TULL, you guys have been on my ass ever since, you motherfucking bitch. You guys took away my phone. What for? When I fucking got arrested last? Making sure? Huh? Fucking doing fucking dirty shit like that. Who goes to jail with a fucking phone and then fucking not give it back?
Okay, ready? Sit back real quick. I need to do your seatbelt.
I am sitting back. I'm here. Then put up my shirt so my tits not fucking showing.
All right, move back and I'll do it real quick. Here, let me pull this up real quick.
Just so you know, it's just a process when you come into the jail that you have to be served again, enter the facility.
Can you guys take this off me? I'm fucking allergic to metal. Please, it's burning my fucking arms.
In a moment.
3 lessons emerge. First, silence is the most underused constitutional right in any police encounter. Second, every spontaneous statement made before Miranda may still be admissible as a non-custodial utterance. Third, officers should narrate force aloud, announcing hand placement and intent. This single habit defeats most after-the-fact misconduct claims. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.